Before I start, as the participant of the Model United Nations, it is a great honor to see the real UN members here. So, UN organizations, which includes UNHRC, produces a resolutions to make recommendations to the country as a result to resolve agenda. However, since it is a recommendation, it has no forcibleness. Then, are there any other ways to intervene to the problem if it is considered as a serious one?
That's a very good question, because human rights is very limited. And you see that with a country like North Korea, right? We all know there are massive problems that should be resolved, yet there's very little we can actually do. We cannot just go in because we think the situation is bad. There is a way of doing that, but it requires the UN Security Council decision. So usually when the UN intervenes directly, it's with the consent of the country involved. But what can be done is not always the legal pressure, but also political pressure. So in different forums, for example with North Korea, what we do is we write reports to the General Assembly. Every year the Secretary General has a report on human rights in North Korea to the Human Rights Council. And we do think that pressure has an impact. For example, but we have had these reports now happening since 2014. And North Korea has started talking more to the United Nations on human rights. So late last year, it made presentations to the Committee on the Rights of the Child and the Committee on the Rights of the Women. Last year, it also allowed the Special Rapporteur on the rights of persons with disabilities to visit the country. These are not big steps, and they are not steps that are going to solve every problem in North Korea, but they are important because they're showing that there is some increasing dialogue happening, and we hope there will be more. But having said that, there are also, of course, very serious limits. It's a very slow process.
Thank you for answering.